Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to promote affiliate products on Quora without website. If you don't have any website for your product or maybe for anything that you want to promote as an affiliate, but you also want to do it on the Quora, then in this video, I'll show you how it can be possible. First, you have to open a browser and search for Quora. Once it gets the link, click onto it and then you have to simply log in with your account. Once it gets open, then you have to simply find that topic or that question in which you want to kind of affiliate a product. If you want to do any sort of affiliation, you have to simply find that relevant subject where you can promote a product. So you can search for anything. In my case, I am looking for some skincare thing. So for that, I have searched for it. And now if I see that if someone has asked a question, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna promote a product into that answer. So once that conversation gets open, you have to go to the answer. You can also open any sort of conversation in which you think you can promote a product. But let's say if you don't have a website, then I'll show you how you can get a landing page for your product. But before that, we have to give some description into that answer or that question. So for that, you have to go to the chat GPT, paste that question and tell it to give you something that you can use as a description or as a relevant step for your affiliate product. Simply paste it there. Now you have to simply make sure it looks natural, like not written by AI. You can remove unnecessary stuff, and within that description you have to paste your affiliate link. If you don't have a website, don't worry, I'll show you how you can get the landing page or a kind of a website. So first you have to simply paste that description, and at any point simply write anything relevant to the product that you want to affiliate. Once you have done it, then you have to simply open another website that is called Google Sites. So first you have to open a new tab and then you have to search for Google Sites. You will get this first link, click onto it and then Google Sites will open. In Google Sites, you can actually create a landing page for your product. Here we have templates, you can use any one of them. I already have created the page of my affiliate product. You can see this is a product and basically this will be like a new landing page. You can create yours and you can publish it, and after that this will be the like a website or a landing page. Now what you have to do is you have to simply get the link of this page and paste it into Quora description as your affiliate link. So whenever someone reads it, they will also find this link up there, and if they find it useful they will click onto it, and if they like the product they will purchase it. So that's how you will be able to promote an affiliate product without having an actual website, with the help of Google Sites, ChatGPT and Quora. So simply publish your answer once it gets approved, and it will be on Quora. If someone finds it, they will be able to click onto that link and they will land onto that page, and through that they will also be able to purchase it. So that's how you can promote an affiliate product in Quora without having a website. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.